with a little while. Wanna tell you about an old man I know. He was cool, he was fast. He had a game that couldn't last. Talking about Superfly was cool and he got down when he called my name, and I felt so good it was a doggone shame. Then the weather changed. The people got cold. He just took his time and been slow. Then I heard him say, "Daddy, won't you blow your horn? It feels so good. Yeah, in the morning. Leave me alone. Dad, won't you call my name? I feel so good. Dad, it's a doggone shame." Hey, I've been loving you, I've been loving you. I've been needing you, I've been needing you. You see, I've been down. When I didn't have a dime. But the old man, he helped me out. He said, "Son, don't waste your time, man." And then I heard him say, "Please get your gun. Don't try to mess around. Take your thing and blow." I've been getting down for years, and I know that I know good a woman, she can't tell you so. Feel alright, feel mighty good tonight. If it wasn't for you, been by the Sunday school. There. Oh Lord, can you? Hey. Been good to you, I've been good to you, babe. I've been nice to you, I've been good to you. Yeah, I feel like I can rock all night long. I feel like I can sing for so long. Oh, babe, sing, babe. And I feel good, I feel alright. Oh, baby.